everybody, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to make apple donuts. So you can see here, I already started making some. What you'll need is an apple, a spread of choice. So I chose peanut butter, but you can choose Nutella or cream cheese. You'll need a topping. I have sprinkles that I found in the pantry. I also found some granola, so you can use granola if you don't have sprinkles, or you can even use, if you have chocolate chips at home, you can do that, or even trail mix. Okay, so you're going to need an adult to help you with the first step, which is cutting out the apples. If you have the core cutter, then you're one step ahead. I did not have a cord cutter, so I actually had to cut it with a knife. So I'll show you real quickly how to do that. You're going to want to just kind of poke in and make sure that you kind of create like a little square around the core. Do that on the top end, and then do it on the bottom end. And then from there, we'll try to pry it out with the knife. Okay, there's one end. And this one's a little tricky. There we go. There is the second part. Okay, and then once that's cleared out, you can start slicing. See? Any other parts of the core, you can just kind of cut around. Okay, so you have that. This guy's. Make sure the seeds are out. See? So the next step, this is where your kiddos can help you out. Just make sure you have like a butter knife and have them pick their spread of choice. And they're going to take the peanut butter and spread it on their donut. I'm going to choose this one. Okay? Like that. Let's see. We'll get some more. Nothing like peanut butter that makes a good an anytime snack. You can have this for, you know, and your kids will enjoy it. So now I'm going to get the sprinkles and sprinkle it on there. There we go. Voila! Apple donuts. We'll make one more. Let's make another one. Why not? Get a little spread, peanut butter, spread it around. This is also a really good fine motor activity for the kids, you know, gripping onto the knife and then also holding on to the apple with their tips of their fingers. So these are all skills that you don't think about, like we do it every day. It's very simple for us, but this is actually work and a little challenging for the kiddos. So next I'm going to put in some granola. Crumble it on there. Voila. Okay, so these are the healthy snacks that I made for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know. Any comments, let me know. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye.